Welcome back. Now, across the Caribbean, we have a shallow trough system in the western portion of the basin that's helping to generate some clouds and some isolated showers across sections of Cuba and sections of the open western Caribbean. However, we don't have significant activity elsewhere across the region, stable conditions. We do have stronger winds across the southern portion of the basin than over the central and northern portions of the Caribbean. We are also seeing some clouds develop across sections of the west, of western Jamaica that is, and we expect much of the same to be occurring across the area over the next couple of days. Stable conditions, dry conditions, high pressure dominates most of the area. Forecast for tonight, fair skies across most of the island. Temperatures are dropping to 24 degrees Celsius in Kingston and to 23 degrees Celsius in Montego Bay. Expect 5-knot winds on both coasts. Now in the morning tomorrow, we're expecting sunny skies across the area. In the afternoon, there are some showers forecast to affect sections of inland areas of the west. Temperatures 31 degrees Celsius in Kingston, 30 degrees Celsius for Montego Bay. Now our breakdown has partly cloudy skies for most of the southeast tomorrow. That's Moran Bay, Kingston, Halfway Tree, Portmore, also Spanish Town and May Pen. We're expecting mostly cloudy conditions for Mandeville with some showers possible in Santa Cruz as well as in Black River. Expected to be partly cloudy for most of the afternoon in Savannah, Lamar and Negril, as well as Lucy, Montego Bay and Falmouth. Much of the shower activity that we are expecting tomorrow is across the north. That's in Brownstown, in St. Anne's Bay, as well as in Ocho Rios, Port Maria and Port Antonio. We are expecting it to be partly cloudy in Golden Spring, also in Bog Walk, and some isolated showers are likely across inland areas of Grange Hill and Duncans in the west. Some showers are possible in Cave Valley, but we're expecting it to be partly cloudy and windy for Richmond and Moortown. On Ash Wednesday, it's partly cloudy for most of the day for most of the island, while on Thursday and Friday we're looking for an increase in wind speeds across coastal areas and partly cloudy skies. The marine forecast has northeasterlies averaging 50 knots on the north tomorrow with wave heights between 1 and 1.5 meters. On the south coast tomorrow, the winds are east-southeasterly at 15 knots, wave heights 1.5 meters. And then for offshore areas, the winds are anywhere between 10 and 20 knots from the east with wave heights between 1 and 2 meters. For the sunset times in Kingston, tomorrow it's at 6:09 and at 15 minutes after 6 in Negril. That's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening. We thank you so much for watching.